Crypto Papa.
I'm back to another video of Crypto Papa, where crypto is hard but Papa makes it easy. Thank you for joining us back to our YouTube channel, and it's been a while, and today I'm going to bring you some updates regarding the crypto market. And before we begin, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and your risk management. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the market. Before we jump into the Bitcoin's analysis today, let's take a look at the super charts Bitcoin versus USDT 24-hour time frame. On the super chart, it's literally showing the candlestick are doing sideways as we are approaching into the weekends. And today is Saturday, and currently the candlestick are showing lesser trading volume, and we could see there's a lot of liquidation, leveraging on the upside and the downside as well. So that's no a significant direction at the moment, whether the Bitcoins are heading toward the upside or to the downside. But if we are taking slightly detail into the price with the volume, we could see that there are around 49 millions literally are just parking on the upside at about 116,000, and of course we got 21,000 to 44, and at the downside at about 114,000 we got about 51 million of positions liquidation. A lot of volumes are putting at the downside, so we need to see on the next couple of days when the market has been opening, we could see again on how is the next action of the Bitcoin. We get into the Bitcoins today. On the daily time frame chart, you could see that I had pinpoint there's a two scenarios going on over here. We got the parabolic curve doing just since the 2023, and currently this is the bull market, so we could really foresee that on the upcoming market is going to do a correction and do another rally, and then another correction, and so on. So for the current market, the first scenario that we are looking is the parabolic curve, and of course with the SMA is showing a bullish alignment, we got the second scenario highlighting over this chart market. And of course using our VIP indicator from the 5-minute time frame all the way to the largest time frame, we got the months, weeks and days also showing green, indicating that the markets are still on the bullish side. So by judging over the screen on the 4-hour time frame, we got to see that there's a sign of a bearish downtrend movement are showing on the Bitcoin's recent market chart. And over the last day, we could see it has been rejected by the POC area at 118,000, where a lot of volume has been traded over the past few days. This is a strong rejection which the Bitcoins are currently facing. So we could anticipate for the next couple of days, we might see the Bitcoins, it might either standing firmly, or we could see another bearish to the downside again. So on the next week, there's a waning moon falling on the next Monday, which is relevantly falling on the first day of the market's opening. So we could see on the emotional side of the market, we might see slightly more bearish situation, but of course this is not 100% correct. So we need to see on how is the next potential movement on the next market opening. Well, on today Ethereum analysis, we got to see on the recent Ethereum's rally that has been reaching the all-time high but not exceeding the 5,000 mark. So as the volumes power has been decreasing lately, we could see that the market needs to cool off. And also on the technical side, there's a cups and handle inversely showing on the screen. As long as it firmly holding above the 44,000 area, we could see another testing towards the next point of control area, where a lot of liquidity are strongly parking over this zone at about 47,000 to the 48,000. Otherwise, we could see maybe a decrease. On the first POC are located at the 43,000 before it plummet all the way, otherwise to the 41,000 area. Meanwhile, on Pi USDT, a strong symmetrical triangle has been reaching the end of the triangle, so we are approaching to the breakout soon. We got to reduce the risk to negative 0.7%. We got the WLFI USDT for you, also is reaching at the end of the contraction, and as long as it stay above the trend line, we could see a bullish scenario on this potential signal. Moving on, next we got the jelly for you, as the candlestick has been breaking twice over this entry and currently it is standing firmly, so there's still a lot of room for you to manage your position. We set our first TP over this area, so you can refer to the screen. So we got one more for you, the Mubarak USDT, and a lot of TP has been setting up on the upside on the screen. You can always refer to it. So before we end the video, I need to shout out to our new joining X account for the CryptoPapa, where we get you along with our latest technical signals for you. We got a lot of signals that are free for the followers, and also reservedly we got a lot more signals for our VIP members. So on the X account, you got to find the latest signals that we had posted for you with some of the technical description, and if let's say if the market is choppy, we will update accordingly, just like the jelly. You see, over the past few days we gave you a signals, but the markets are showing choppy condition, but we also update to you on the current market movement so that we keep you posted. You don't waste your time putting your own position. We don't want you to waste your money, so you can always refer to our X account. Same goes to the Instagram, our new opening Instagram. I got the link posted over here on the Linktree section. Got you updates, everything else that you can find with our official platform. We got the YouTube, Instagram and X account, and we got a button for you to press in if you are interested in joining our VIP team, because we are opening our very first English speaking VIP member just for you, dedicated for you, that we got a lot of wonderful team members from the other side, that on the back end side we analyze a lot of signals, and of course we do education, and we are guiding everybody to learn how to analyze themselves. As a matter of fact, if you are joining our VIP learning group, you got to receive a lot of beneficial matters, including the real-time signals. We keep you posted with our back-end technical analysis team. We give you a lot of real-time signals that you can always get the first-hand information regarding cryptos and also the trading position. We got to teach you step by step where you are going to learn how to trade, how to draw, how to analyze crypto. We got a complete set of the SOP so that you are independent. Of course, we got the weekly online meetings. We get you along our latest trading strategies, teacher coaching you on how to better yourself on trading. We got the exclusive CryptoPapa-trained ChatGPT models for every person, so that you can always inquire any question that you are facing or any difficulties that you are facing in technical side. CryptoPapa ChatGPT will always answer your question. And last but not least, we got the scripted powerful indicator that is mainly just for the VIP members, that as shown as on the earlier video just now. You got to see at the corner of the video there's a table showing the bullish alignment of the simple moving average. Of course, we boost the probability to ensure that you are earning on each and every position. For the membership, this is a lifetime with just one-time payment only, so you got to DM us directly to join, and we got a very nice offer for the first 20 members to join our English speaking class. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the entire video, and before we end this video, please help us to like, share and subscribe to the channel to support the community, and I got to see you on the next video. Thank you.
Where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy.